It's raining and the sun is out. How cool is that? I don't mind the rain with the sun. I don't like cloudy days. So this is not bad with the sun out. I like it. There's Mr. Sun. I think it's about to stop. It might just be a cloud, I guess. Yep, it's stopping. I think it was just a passing cloud leaving his or her water at this spot because it's done. It didn't last long.